Great. Handball timeout. Go to the bathroom.
Ready? No, you ready?
I love it.
Beautiful.
All right, here we go, guys.
Here we go.
We have 3 serving 9.
3-9. And back, it's 1/3. Here we go. Good ball. Wow. I could have told you that was going to be in, and who knows what my eyesight is.
9 serving 3.
9 serving 3. Matt trying to just squeeze the life out of Kevin right here. And that would do it. 10 serving 3. Matt's
10 serving 3.
10 serving 3. There's that left hand. 11 serving 3. I told you if you play to Matt's left hand, he has that stiff arm and he doesn't move and he'll stay in the front and he'll knock it up the line.
11-3.
Kevin's got
11 serving 3.
That's the only way you get Matt out of the middle. You got to work that left-right shot. Now right there. Oh, he moved his body.
Outside.
He moved his body. He set himself up. Set himself up.
12 serving 3.
12 serving 3. Now he's got to get in the front, left to right. There it is. Listen, this isn't rocket science here. This is just, it's handball. Everybody has their
3 serving 12.
What they like to do, and they do it. Now you have to find out what it is, and you have to count it. Kevin
4
needs to be
serving
in front,
12.
He needs to go right to left. That's what he needs to do. 2 bounces.
2.
Call.
Thank you, man.
Matt just needs to stay consistent. Every once in a while, he'll pop off.
5 serving 2.
Nice. Now go get it right there. Very nice.
So you guys got to move back. I told him before. Please.
Get out the way. 6.
Too many people on the side. It's a packed house here in Flamingo Park. The weather is absolutely incredible. Everybody watching the finals of the King of the Beach. Matt's jumped out to a tremendous lead. Kevin's
ready?
trying to rally.
6 serving 12.
6 serving 12. Oh, and he has got to make that shot. That is exactly what he needs to be doing. And
12
got to
serving
make a shot
6.
right there. If you're not going to make it, don't put it in the floor, man. 13-6, 25 game, a lot of ball.
13 serving 6.
A lot of ball. That's a nice, oh, nice ball. I like that idea, especially with the lights. That's the lights we got right here.
14 serving 6.
14-6. Wow, we got away with one right there. He served it right up the middle to Matt. Got away with one. That's all right. Let's see if we can take advantage. Now he's
6 serving 14. Over.
Boom.
Heavy right.
Now he's in the middle. Got away with another one right there. That's an unforced error. Usually Matt just nails that or put it up the line.
7-14.
Now attack it left. Oh my God. Oh, he got away with another one. That ball missed, I'm telling you right now, by a cuticle. By a cuticle.
8 serving
right
14.
Now, 3 unforced errors. Let's see if we can take advantage. I love that shot. Great get, Matt. Beautiful right there.
9-14. Over.
I say if Kevin can get double digits right here, we got a new game.
9-14.
The whole psychology of the game has changed from going all Matt to we got a new game. Big right there, left, right. Oh, I hate the fact that he won't go. There it is. Wow. Off the wall? Wow, what an incredible effort right there. 10-14.
10 serves 14.
Great get. Oh, I hate that shot. Left, right. Oh, my God. Right.
Time out.
Wow. But Kevin has got himself.
That's my nigga, man. If I'm thirsty, I need thirsty too. Man, it's just upsetting, bro. I'm supposed to be in this final, bro. I know. If I would have been here, you'd be in the final. Look, this is how true it is. Look, but this isn't even open.
This is going to be an unbelievable finish. I feel it in my toenails right now. I'm telling you, the yellow ones on my left foot. Here we go.
I got on my own head. There was a lot of shit that took place. Took a big part in that. I couldn't believe. I know. I couldn't even do all these. I was like,
It's a brand new game, 14-10. I'm going to move back here.
Ref, I'm ready.
All right, you ready? Let's go. We got 14.
All refs are in place, 14-10, here we go. We're 18 minutes into the game. 14-10.
14. Serving 10.
Here we go. One long. Oh, there is a dog track behind us, and one of the dogs.
All right, let's go, guys.
It's not.
Serve whenever you ready. Did that good?
Oh, come on, man. Oh, hey, it's a whole new game, I'm telling you right now. We went from Kevin is in big, big trouble, cardiac arrest.
14.
He's right back in the game, 10-14. Kevin, you gotta make that shot. You got the left hand, and you can't just hit it right back up the middle. I know you didn't mean it. It's tournament time, baby. What you do on a Saturday is different than what you
14.
do on a
Serving
tournament.
10.
Right back up the middle. Cannot just hit the return. If he's going to let you hit it with your power hand, and you're going to hit it right up the middle to his
15,
power hand,
serving
you made a
10.
mistake. There's that left up the side.
The catcher was so crazy.
I know it's coming. 16-10. I guess the time of the work
16, serving
right
10.
there. 16-10. Gorgeous serve. I love it. Holy smoke! Someone get the frying pan. I'm cooking eggs over there. What a shot! Holy mackerel, that was a gorgeous shot.
17. Serving 10.
Kevin got to get this thing back together again. Again, he's hitting it all up the middle. He's not moving that at all. He's lucky he got away with that. No, I'm thinking his money shot is his left to right.
Bro, you're 39.
And when you guys set up, go with your money shot. Don't try to outsmart anybody.
Time out.
Fucking assholes at home.
Holy smokes, I'm going to lose my mind.
Serving 17.
That's an easy point. That's good. I just want to see an exciting
11.
finish.
17.
11-17.
Let's go, baby. Drop that shot.
Okay. Consistent in the final. And
17-11.
Cannot. Wow, this is. I'm getting frustrated just watching.
18-11.
18 serving 11. I'd like to see Kevin just get a little more consistent. Nice retrieval. There you go. That's that left up the line. That's that perfect shot. Left hand. He has that straight arm left hand up the line. That's his money shot.
That was just a brawling hustle, man. Good shit,
Is that 19?
Yo, turn on the flash, dude.
19. Serving 11.
His screen, everything.
Wow, okay. Can't make every shot. Matt has been super consistent this game. Can't make every single shot. Let's see if that could propel Kevin to make a run right here. He'll go to the wall and drop it. That's a beautiful shot. That was tougher than the last 30 shots he had out.
12. Serving 19.
12-19. Wow! Roll your boat. It rolled, and that was sweet. Holy smokes! What a shot!
19. Serving 12.
Looked like it came out of Kevin's pocket. I like that return. With these lights, I like that return. Oh, he dug it. Wow. Matt is just playing so well. No mistakes. No mistakes.
No, but what I'm saying is, nobody else is
Matt went to retrieve the ball. Oh no, that wasn't Matt. Okay, here we go. Both players look exhausted now. They've only been out here for 18 hours. I can't understand why they're tired. All right, here we go.
20, serving 12.
It's not over. There's tons of game left here. And I just gave him the Kunohara. Of all the games, this is probably the most inconsistent game in the finals. You have to step up. If you want to go to the next level, you've got to step up in the finals.
Whoa! Come on, stop!